morning, Scots. I'm Ashira.
Happy Friday, I'm Hannah.
Welcome back to Scots Weekly.
We have 1 week left before finals.
Remember, Scots, if you need any help, ask your teachers ASAP.
Go to tutoring after school at the library starting at 4 p.m. and ending at 5:30.
Or start a study group with your classmates.
Now let's get into the announcements for today.
First, we have our Highlands Candyland rally next Friday during third period, so be ready and show some school spirit.
Second, Winter Spirit Week begins next Monday,
Check out this video from our ASB team here at Highland.
so you could know what to wear all week.
Jingle bell, jingle bell rock. A jingle bell swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell rock. A jingle bells chiming.
Pride, giving your best to be your best. Leadership, inspiring others to know, to do, or to be. Attitude, having a positive mindset that guides how you think, feel, and behave. Integrity, do the right thing, even when no one is looking. Determination, persevering towards a difficult goal despite obstacles.
Savannah on the go.
Hi, my name is Savannah, and this is Savannah on the Go. Today, we're going to be asking the question, what is the worst gift you've ever received? Let's go. Hi, who am I speaking with?
Camila Martinez.
Nice to meet you. And what is the worst gift you've ever received?
One time I got socks. I'm not a big fan of socks.
Who am I speaking with?
Eric,
Nice to meet you. What is the worst gift you've ever received?
on Christmas,
Anytime.
probably ramen noodles from my dad.
Just like a thing of ramen.
Just a square ramen.
Thank you for your time. Who am I speaking with?
Again, Morgan Freeman's son, aka Jonathan.
All right, and what is the worst gift you've ever received?
Worst gift? It would have to be a gift card to Red Lobster.
How much was on it?
Only $15.
Who am I speaking with?
Jonathan Rodriguez.
Nice to meet you. And what is the worst gift you've ever received?
Let's think. A pair of socks. They put it in a T-Mobile bag. I thought, oh my God, new iPhone. It was socks.
That's even dog. I'm so sorry. Hi, who am I speaking with?
James?
Nice to meet you. And what is the worst gift you've ever received?
A candle.
A candle. What was the scent?
So I don't even know, but it was just terrible.
It was really sad. When was it?
Christmas. That makes it even worse. It was Christmas.
All right. Thank you for your time. Hi, who am I speaking with?
Frank.
Nice to meet you. And what is the worst gift you've ever received?
One sock.
One sock. So there wasn't even a pair.
Yeah, one sock.
When was this?
When I was like 10.
Thank you for the segment, Savannah.
Now let's move on with our sports team with some information.
Oh, I didn't see you guys. What's going on, Scots? I'm Julian Medina.
And I'm Peter Parra.
Let's get on with some sports announcements. First, Froshaw boys basketball team is playing a tournament today and tomorrow at Highland High School.
Second, the girls soccer team has a tournament at Garces today and tomorrow.
Third, can't make it to any of the games? Remember to watch them on the NFS network, but you'll need a subscription to watch the games at home.
Now we have some girls soccer interviews.
Let's get on with it, Kim.
My name is Jordan Hernandez, and I play left outside back.
My name is Penelope Horvath, and I play left wing.
My name is Bella, and I play in the midfield.
My name is Francisca Grotto, and I'm a goalkeeper.
What is the best part about playing this sport?
I'd say creating new friendships and bonds with each other.
Scoring.
I think just playing with your teammates, like working together to get stuff done.
Probably the intensity that comes with the games.
What's one hard thing about playing soccer?
Having a blind ref.
Being hurt because it hurts really bad.
I think just like the pressure of like everyone watching you and counting on you, so like it's pretty hard.
The pressure that comes with trying to block a PK.
Remember, Scots, baseball and softball season will start up soon. If you have any questions, stop by the athletic office because baseball practice is already happening.
Guys, remember, Scots, Spirit Week next week. Remember, Monday is pajama day, so make sure you dress up comfy in your pajamas. Tuesday is twin day, so make sure you twin up with your best friend. Wednesday is favorite color day, so dress up as your favorite color in the rainbow. Thursday is the holiday and Christmas gear. Dress up in your favorite Christmas gear. And lastly is that Friday. Dress up in your ugly sweater day that your grandma gave you that one Christmas Eve. Well, let's get back on with the news.
Remember, Scots, we have 1 week left before finals.
So teachers, make sure you're getting your finals ready for your students.
Also, next Monday is PJ Day for Spirit Week, so make sure you get some new PJs this weekend.
One more thing before we end the show.
Bring your own milk on Wednesday so you could get a cookie during lunch.
That's it for today, Scots.
And always remember to
Plaid up.